3.
Hey guys! Today we are going to be doing a toy review on Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. It's a character set. I can. So Aiden? I still want to go ahead and open that. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Wow! And once you peel this off, there's the trolley. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm right. It's the trolley. The trolley? Yeah, it's the trolley. You get them at the other side. Oh, it's on the other side. I thought it was on the other side. And there's these little cardboard thingies. I don't think you can even get them out. Okay. Nope, you can get them out. Nope, no, you can't. Okay, bub, take one out of the package. Oh, you can tell? Okay. Okay, so this is... Who's this, Bubby? You know who this is. It's a kitty cat. It's Katarina Kitty Cat. And it's really nicely made. It's very detailed, and they have the tails on the back and little buttons and everything. And the leg doesn't move. Their legs don't move, and their head moves, and the legs move. So this is Katarina. Get the next one. Okay. Oh. Can't tell this. So this one is Miss Elena. Again, these are very nicely made, and this one's easier. This one's head is easier to move, and the arms are still there. So yeah. Oh, and we are gonna be doing what he got for his birthday, because his birthday was yesterday. His birthday was in Thomas, and so yeah, it was a big one. It was a big surprise at the end. Yeah, he got a big surprise at the end of his party. It was a big blue Ford truck. It wasn't really a real truck. It was one of those ones, those little ones that you can get. I had one when I was little. It was a buggy. So this one is over the owl, and nothing moves on. Oh yeah, his wings move. Nothing else, because he doesn't have a separate head. I'm trying to put Prince Wednesday. Okay. You get Prince Wednesday. Yeah, he's stuck on the Yeah, he's stuck because of his crown. Can you tell them who this is? Prince Wednesday. Yep, it's Prince Wednesday, and it has a little crown, and his belt even has a W, and his arms move, and his head moves. And then the tiger. And he has a cape. I wish it moved. So this is Prince Wednesday, and so we also have in this package, this is the last one. I saved the main character for last.
She's in Charlie. She's in Charlie. She's in Charlie.
It's hard to get out. I don't think it wants you to get him out. Okay. Okay. Finally got him out. Again, now his arms move too, and so does his head. And this is
You're a tiger.
Yep. This is the main character. Well, I think one of the main characters. Yeah. So these are all of the ones that he has. Again, I said this before. Sometime you'll be making what he got for his birthday video. So,
It's a
bye
family.
guys.